Okay, Assalamualaikum and hi everybody. Okay, so today we will proceed with our lesson. So the word for this topic for this lesson is area, perimeter and volume, and the word for this topic is area, perimeter of a rectangle. So we focus on rectangle first, okay? Okay, so for this video, I will show you on how to find the area of a rectangle. Okay, first you need to be clear how is the shape of a rectangle. So rectangle is something like this. Okay, you need to make sure you know that for rectangle we have two same sides. Means if this is A, this is also A. Can I just label by using that? Okay, so if that is A, that is also A. And if that side is B, means that can I just use a double line here? Okay, and then this is also B. Okay. Okay, so now how do you find area of a rectangle? Is you just multiply the sides. Okay, so that side multiply by that side. So the formula for area of a rectangle is just A and then times B. A times B. First side times the second side. Okay, so for example, if I have one rectangle here, can I just draw a rectangle? Okay, I have one rectangle here. Let's say I label this side as 3 cm. Okay, and then I label this side as 5 cm. So if the question asks for area, what is the area of a rectangle? Okay, so make sure you remember the formula. That is just that side times that side, A times B. Okay, so remember the formula because the formula will not be given to you in exam. You need to make sure you remember the formula. So according to the formula, that is just 3 times 5, okay, equals to 15. Okay, make sure you put the unit as well. Cm times cm, so unit for area is cm square. Cm times cm is just cm square. So that is your answer. Okay, another example. Example number 2 here. If I have something like this, okay, let's say I denote this by 10 mm, millimeter, and then this one is just 4 millimeter. Okay, so what is the area? So for this question I change the unit. So area, that is just A times B, right? So that is just equals to 4 times 10 equals to 40. What is the unit now? Because we have mm times mm, so your unit for the area of this particular rectangle is mm square. Okay, 40 mm square. Okay, so remember formula of area of rectangle is just A times B. A times B. Okay? Okay, so next one, pause the video if you think you need to copy, or if you think you need to repeat, just replay again. Okay. Okay, second thing is about how do we find perimeter of rectangle. So what is the difference between perimeter and area? Perimeter, area, just now, okay, area you multiply the sides. A times B, you multiply, you times, okay, times. Okay, but for perimeter you add all side, you add. Perimeter you add. Okay, for perimeter the keyword is add, you add all sides. Okay, for rectangle we have two same sides. If that is A, that one must be A as well. Okay, if that one is B, that one must be B as well. Okay, so now perimeter we add all sides. So I have A, which is this side, okay, plus B, which is that side, second side, okay, plus another A, plus A, okay, and then plus the last one, plus B. Okay, okay, you don't have to worry what is A plus B or what is A plus A. Okay, this is just in terms of notation only. Okay, so later you will deal with numbers, not letters. Okay, letters is not in your in year 7 syllabus yet. Okay, so now let's look at one example here. Let's say I have this one rectangle here. Can I use the same rectangle as the previous example, which I have 3 cm over here and 5 cm over here? So if the question asks what is the perimeter, remember we just add all side. Okay, so if that is 3 cm, means that side must be 3 cm as well. If that is 5 cm, means that one must be 5 cm as well. So we just add all. Okay, this is the first side, 3. Okay, first side plus second side 5. Okay, third side plus 3, and then the fourth side plus 5. Okay, so you add all, you will get 3 plus 5, 8 plus 3, 11 plus 5, 16. So what is the unit for perimeter? Because we add all, we don't multiply, we add. So you add all, you get 16 cm. Okay, try the second example. Okay, if let's say we have 10 mm here, 4 mm here. Okay, perimeter you add all, remember you add all. Okay, so perimeter that is just equals to 10 plus 4 plus 10 plus 4. Okay, so you will get 28. Now what is the unit? Mm. Settle. Okay, so this is very really easy. So I have you need to do this exercise. Make sure you copy copy inside your book, and then you do the exercise. This one, please copy and do this one. Okay, find the area of all. Okay, okay, bye.